How to start the full stack? I will tell you the exact idea about that. How to start with that. You don't want to start the full stack at the beginning itself. Start with the C language, right? Start with the C language. Start with the coding thing, normal coding. Like you start with, maybe pattern programming. Have a depth thing. Solve 150 questions, and then you go for the number logic questions. You solve again 200 to 300 questions in the number logics. Entire internet, what are the questions you have? You take it and solve it. Then go for the string questions, and you have that programming thing. You do the same program in different ways. For example, you take one program and do it in a different way, and that feel you take it, and you are doing by yourself now, right? After that, you go learn data structures, and meanwhile you learn some algorithms, some small algorithms, searching, sorting, like this, everything. And later on, once you are done with this, you go for maybe like high-end programming, maybe like other languages. If you want to learn other languages, you can go for it. Maybe like ops-oriented languages, maybe like you can go for C++ or Java or Python, right? Python would be better. Java, three languages is also better only because you are done with C and data structures. It is really easy to study all these things, 3 languages now. What about the languages if you want to learn it? If you want to learn 3 languages, also fine. But I suggest have a 2 language, backup language. That's all. Once you're done with this, you're ready for any of the interviews now. Now, what you want is you want to fill up your resume, right? To fill up your resume, you want to learn CSS, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And after that, you can have an option of Angular or React, and you can make it onto it. And after that, in that you make one website, or one page you make it, or maybe like one project you make it, right? And meanwhile you learn how to connect database for that. Whatever the data you have it, you want to store it. And this becomes your full stack thing, entire thing is, right? Now you know the full stack, and none of the company will reject it. You're good in coding, you have a project in your hand, you know what the work need to be done.